Okay, example. 15 divided by 3. How many? 18 divided by 3. 27 divided by...
You write the second. Next, what's... Enero, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio.
This is 27.
You write.
A-U-L...
1 divided by 3.
Y... Oh!
6 divided by 3.
And then, August. Augusto. Next.
No! Not here!
Oh, what's the next?
Next. Almost
Agosto. Julio. Okay, you write it.
The
Julio. Julio.
Julio.
Julio. You write Julio.
Let's see. Yo. Yo. Let's yo.
Come on, Madison.
Lit.
Julio.
H-U-L. Y. Yo. Yo.
Oh, then next, another one. Agosto. Agosto. Agosto.
Agosto.
Agosto. Oh, da.
Agosto.
Agosto. Sige, you write down.
Agosto.
Yeah.
Agosto.
Write it down. So, Agosto. Agosto. A. You write A-G-O-S-T-O.
Why?
You write na. Don't play. Focus on your study.
Did you count it? Yes or no? Are you sure? Again, 21. 21.
And then, next. Septiembre. S. Put S.
Again.
Hey. Hey, Hercules. Septiembre. Right.
Uy, wait. You count until 21.
Hey, Hercules. Hercules. Are you done in Agosto? Hercules. Look at your paper. You write Septiembre. Septiembre. Focus on your paper and write it down. S E T Y. What are you doing? Why did you underline the word? The month? You just write the Septiembre. What are you doing? What are you doing, Hercules? Why did you put X? Are you checking your... You just finished your... Oh my goodness. It's you will just put Septiembre, October, November, December, and then it's done. You write the Septiembre. You put the Septiembre. You write Septiembre. You write S E.
Just copy. Yeah, just copy it. Memorize it.
S, not O.
Set. You're here already.
Uy.
Start from
Wait.
S. Yes. That's why I checked.
Why not join?
So that you...
We done.
Not yet.
No, that's wrong.
Hmm. You write S E T Y E M B R E. If you're not still done, your mom will gonna spunk you, you know? And she will not give you food.
What? It's one again. You can't follow me. You start.
E.
That's not
The
fair.
next one. E.
No, excuse me.
What's wrong?
Excuse, very wrong.
What's wrong?
Very wrong.
Very wrong?
Very wrong.
Why?
Very wrong. Emoji.
Come on. Don't.
Yeah. Focus on your paper and then write letter E. And next one is, and then copy Y E Septiembre E B Bre R E. Okay, Oktobre. C T O U Tubre R E Noviembre. It's a neighbor, not your mom. You write Noviembre. You write na. Next one. 2 na lang and then you're done. You're finished. Noviembre.
You should follow the line. When it's like that. Happen to your handwriting. Mom, you're going to repeat it again.
Noviembre.
Oh, see.
Noviembre.
Look up!
Oh yes, you're not yet done. Noviembre. 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 Diciembre. Noviembre. Noviembre. Ang gamot, Timors. Ang ginagawa mo? Laruan?
Ako lumabas eh.
Ha? Uwi na, uwi. Tinuruan ko naman si Hercules. Gabi na eh. At,
Layo pa kasi na. Ang paligis kasi.
December. Oh, then you're done na. The last month. My favorite month is December.
My God! Oh
Focus.
my God! Oh my God!
Focus on your paper and then you write Diciembre. Disyembre.
Yeah.